My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the scary alerts that quote these fake Apple or Microsoft support number +1 888 833 2183. These are fake security alerts. They may have two versions. One of them could be for Windows computers and the other for Mac computers. But all these pop-ups are totally fake and you should not trust whatever they tell you. These pop-ups are fake security warnings, so do not tolerate them. Do not call this fake support number. Once again, it is not associated with Windows or Microsoft or Apple. This is a fake number and you should not trust all these deceptive messages. I recommend you to leave this deceptive page and not to tolerate it. Also, such pop-ups could be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. My recommendation is that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.